Hey gang, it is storming out here. We've got some tornado watches coming through our area. Look at them clouds up there. It's really something. You can see, see how windy it is. The trees are blowing like everything. Anyway, let's go over here and get in the tree house. Let's see how she's holding up in this windstorm right here. I don't know if you can hear me or not over this wind, but it's really blowing. So we're gonna just see real quick. Had lots of rain, ponds flooded. You see all that down in there coming out. And we got a bunch more bad weather coming. So we're gonna go up here. We'll see how it feels when it's really windy. I gotta get this done, guys. I mean, you know, I need to get on it. So I'm gonna say we got some pretty big gusts right here right now. So we'll see how she's doing. See how the shower running. See the chair going back and forth. So let's just take a look. And you come in, it's quiet. You can hear it. Look at that tree going back and forth. Ooh, you can hear it. So, but it's still not really moving. It's going a little bit. You hear that cracking and stuff? That's that tree up front going back and forth. Huh, not bad. Not bad, gang. Gotta get on it and get it finished. But I was just curious. This is a real hard wind up here. And I was really curious how it was. There's the big one holding everything. Most of the cracking you hear right there. That tree, I don't know if you can tell it going back and forth or not. But anyway, I feel pretty secure up here. It's ugly weather, so look at that. Oh, what a gun. Check it now. Pretty good guys, but I'm getting down from here. I think she's gonna hold up, but I'm not gonna be up here to make sure. So everybody have a great day. Stay safe. Hopefully we come through this. All right, guys, see you later. Like, subscribe, comment. We appreciate y'all. Thanks.